Thank you for joining me in this video. And so today I'm just going to be doing a shorter version, or basically I'm just rebuilding everything but this with the CPU and the cooler installed because it has thermal paste already and I don't have extra thermal paste. So that part I'm just going to summarize it, and I paired my build with a Ryzen 5 3600, 16 GB of 3200 megahertz of DDR4 3200 speed. I already said that, but it's 16 GB, 500 GB of M.2 SSD. It's NVMe 2. It's a Crucial P1, and I'll put all the stuff in the link in the description below. And let's get started. So first off, I had to talk about the motherboard. And as I said, there's a Ryzen 5 3600 installed in here. And the way you know how to install a CPU is there's going to be an arrow. And most of the time, if you have a Ryzen CPU, the Ryzen logo, it will be facing to the RAM or to this part. So like the Ryzen logo will be RYZEN, and that part will face this way and to the VRM. And now I shall show you guys the build. And right now we're just going to be putting the SSD.
Hi guys, I'm really sorry that I didn't show the cable management, but that's fairly easy. And the graphics card should go into the PCIe Express 16 slot. Make sure you guys know that, and thank you.
Alrighty guys, so this is the finished product. This is the PC, and got all the connections done. This is my monitor. All we had to do is switch that power button on, and as you can see, I will mouse it up, and let's turn it on. Okay, looks pretty nice. Now we're just gonna find the delete button to get into the BIOS. That's not very quick. Okay, so now that we're on the BIOS, and we can actually change these modes. Static, green, blue, yellow. I want to see if there's an off. Ooh, this one looks cool. I'm going to be pressing this for a long time. Oh, so there is no off. But that doesn't matter, it looks really cool. And these are our fans. And everything's spinning. Even our graphics card is spinning. Okay. Oh well, guess it's on auto. And now let's get in to the BIOS. Now let's go into easy mode. Okay, so this is our CPU temperature. Looks fine. We got our right stuff. XMP enable. Yeah, and that is my SSD. Okay, our fan. Okay, smart fan. Okay, and there we go. Now save and exit. Yes, I still haven't overclocked this PC yet. Okay, now it should be turning on any minute. Once it starts up again. I need to clean my monitor. Do you see those scrubs? Jesus. What is that? And whoa. Okay. Oh, too high. Okay. By the way, I already set this whole computer up. That's why it's not that, hard. Hope you guys like my wallpaper. Self-control. The only way to survive in this world dominated by idiots. So true, right? Okay. And let's open up a YouTube video. Yes, I know, I searched up a YouTube video. Videos, YouTube. Wow. Okay. Build a garden with me. Okay, that's enough. And as you can see, it works fine. I haven't connected my audio yet because I'm too lazy. And alright guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And here's the name. That's my actual PC build, like step by step. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching.